Hi, I'm Adina. You must be Amanda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thanks for having me to your beautiful garden.
Thank you.
Should we go and have a look?
Yeah, let's do it. Link has been so important to me. I was homeless living in my ute that my stepfather had thankfully given me, and homelessness is hard. I linked in with Link Wentworth, and within 3 months, I had a safe environment to go to. This is our garden. Let's see.
Oh.
It's cozy, it gets good shade and light. Because we don't have a big garden and we didn't have much, we thought if we photograph it, and it's hard to miss the little bits. I've always gardened my friends, my family's houses. I just feel it's very therapeutic. Some people are drawn to marine or surfing, and I feel like I'm drawn to the earth. I believe plants and animals, we're all one. The butterflies are around everywhere. We've got little gold ones tacked in, butterflies metamorph, and I just like seeing change. It's easy to pull a couple of weeds out and you can go from something that looks all messy to just tidy. Sometimes when you haven't had that organisational feeling around you, you can get that way in your head as well. I get so much peace from the garden, and it's peace of mind and quiet and reason, getting out of bed and having something to look back at. I know when I've been my best in my life, I've been in routine. It's been everything. Through Link Wentworth giving me this opportunity, I sleep better at night, I'm eating better. I really like it here, and thanks to Link, I just have security and safety. So
we have Amanda Joyce, Best Community Space. Is Amanda? Congratulations.
it feels great. I can't wait to go shopping. This is my plant passion book, and it was to try and help point out why our street should win, and it worked. Every bit of effort paid off. Sometimes you just need to be shown the way, and with my mum, she's always told me a house is what you make it. Like Link gave me this house, and it's a blessing of a place, so I feel like you give good, you get good back.